Name is Kenny Skar. Title at Vincent Tool is ownership and management. Graduated in the late 90s, went to CVTC. CVTC allowed me to work in the community as I was going to school from my first semester all the way through when I graduated. And then Vincent Tool was a startup shop in the early 2000s. Interviewed, came back, took a position here. Was a machinist on the shop floor, went through assembly, started to do some tool purchasing, working with customers. So at Vincent Tool, we're a tool and die shop that takes graduates from CVTC machine tool program mainly, and we build injection molds. Anything that has a 3D dimensional part, we would have built a steel or aluminum mold for it, and then allows the molder, the OEM, our customer, to put in your hand, from your key fob, your mouse that you use every day, your OtterBox phone cases. We did parts for iPhone 4 and 5 years ago, DeWalt, Chrysler, laptops. So anything that's three-dimensional, it's a plastic part, is mainly coming from injection mold. It's kind of endless as a consumer going to the store and looking for a product. It had to come from some type of manufacturing facility. Pretty cool to be able to be part of the Chippewa Valley manufacturing community.